Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Sumit Agrawal, Head of the Department of Commerce, GemTech Greater Noida, and today we will discuss one of the important topic of HRM, that is challenges for HRM. So, social, economical, technological changes in the environment. These changes are not only affecting businesses but also have greater impact on the human behavior. These changes pose major challenges to the human resource management also. So now we will discuss these challenges, what are the various challenges and what the impact of these challenges on the business and human resource management department. So first challenge of managing the workforce diversity. One of the major challenges that human resource managers face involved workforce diversity. Workforce diversity is the diversity in the terms of employee coming from different groups such as man, woman, caste, ethnic groups, religions, cultures, and areas. So, different persons coming from different groups have different aspirations, different education, different way of behaving. So, this poses a challenge to the human resource management to deal differently with different persons belongs to different workforce diversity. So, basically, there are two terms. One is globalization and one is workforce diversity. So there's a difference between globalization and workforce diversity, and both have different impact or different challenges for human resource management. Globalization focus on difference between personnel who are coming from different countries, while workforce diversity addresses difference among people within the same country but belongs to different groups that we already discussed. Now, the second challenge for HRM is growing aspirations of the employees. Today's employees are more career oriented, more educated, more knowledgeable, and looking for more benefits other than salary. Considerably changes have been noted in the aspirations of the employee, which is again a challenge for human resource management. Next challenge is employees empowerment. Today's all level of management are involved in decision making and have certain role in the success of organization. Earlier, most of the decisions were taken by the top management, but now the scenario is changed. Now, every people, whether they belongs to lower level of management or middle level or upper level of management, are involved in some kind of decision making. So, there is a requirement for employee empowerment. It is a challenge to the HRM to redesign or restructure the policies to empower the employees to give them sufficient autonomy or freedom to take decisions while performing their job. Now, the next challenge is managing the human relations. Management of human relation in present is much more complicated than it was in the past. Many of the new generation of employees are more difficult to motivate, more difficult to manage. This is the result of a change in the value system coupled with rising education levels. So, managing the human relation is again challenge for human resource management. Next challenge is need for dynamic personal policies and programs. Changing environment and changing the behavior of human beings, there is a requirement of dynamic personal policies and programs directed towards changing business environment. A fast change is seen in the business environment and also on the behavior of the employees or the workforce of an organization. So, due to this fast change, there is a requirement of dynamic personal policies and programs to cope up with this challenge. Next challenge for human resource management is need of creation of dynamic work culture. Due to changing business environments, work ethics, and human behavior, there is need for increasing emphasis on individuals. Jobs have to be redesigned to provide including flexi times, shift from extrinsic to intrinsic motivation of the employee welfare, etc. So again, this is a challenge for HR department to deal with the dynamic work culture of the organization. Next challenge is need for building core competencies and creating competitive advantage. In the current business situations, the human resource managers plays a great role in developing core competencies for the firms to provide them the competitive advantage. Core competencies are the unique selling proposition of the organization or the factors which differentiate an organization from the other organization and provide them the competitive advantages. Next challenge for HRM is challenge of globalization. There is always a debate whether globalization is good for a company or bad for a company. But definitely, whether it's good or bad, but it is a challenge to the human resource management department. Many companies are seeking business opportunities in global markets to grow and prosper as domestic markets are shrinking. Globalization is the trend towards opening up foreign markets to international business and investment. HR managers have to play an important role to cope up with a complicated set of issues related to different geographics, different cultures, different religions, employment laws, and business practices. So, globalization is again a challenge for HR. Now, the last challenge is the change management. Change is always required, change whether it's good or bad. Change could be reactive, proactive, or both. Reactive change is the result of impact of external forces, while proactive change is a change yourself to take the advantage of environmental opportunities. Whether change is proactive or reactive, HR managers plays a vital role in overcoming resistance to change through effective communication and counseling of the workforce. So thus it is also a challenge to the HR department. That's all with your today's topic. I hope you understand the challenges for human resource management. Thank you very much.